Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. It's the first slot for class 1 and the index of subjects are English, Science, Social Studies, Maths, Islamia and Urdu. English. Our first lesson is an action poem. The page number 2. First of all, we are going to solve the word wall. The first word is spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. The second word is rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. The third word is catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. The fourth word is happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Fifth word is hold. H-O-L-D. Hold. The next word is clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. Next word smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. The next question is write words that end with at. वो words हमें write करने हैं जिसके end पे at आता हो. And the words are P-A-T, pat. C-A-T, cat. The next question is write a sentence using one of the word that end with at. And the sentence is my pet animal is cat. Now we are going to solve the page number 3 in alphabetic order. We have some words and we have to arrange them in alphabetical. The first word is bow and the second word is butterfly. Bow and the butterfly are same because they are starting with B and B. But we will go to the next word. अगर दोनों words एक ही अल्फ़ाबेट से start हो रहे हैं तो हम second word पे focus करेंगे कि वो किससे start हो रहा है. O comes first and U comes second. So we will write first bow, the second word butterfly, the third word is chase, the fourth word is clap, the fifth word is hold, and the next word is little, next word pat, then next rainbow, the other word is spin, the other word take, and the next is white. Okay, now the next page, page number 4, we are going to match the words with the pictures. The first word is pat. We will match the word pat with this picture, that is the boy is patting the dog. The next word is spin. Spin means turn quickly. The top is spinning. We will match the spin with top. The third word is chase. You can see this picture. The duck is chasing the boy. We will match the word chase with this picture. The fourth word is step. We can see the word step with we can match the word step with stairs. The next word is clap. You know about the word clap. The hands are clapping here. The next word is catch a butterfly. Here is a boy who is trying to catch the butterfly in this picture. We will match this word with this picture. Now we have page number 5. Make a list of things, animals. First of all, we will make the list of things. We have two things in this poem, red pot and blue top. And the animals are black cat, white dog and butterfly. The next question is we have to color these objects. We will use the black color for the cat because it is mentioned in this poem. We will use the blue color for the top and we can use any color for the butterfly. We will use the red color for the pot. Grammar section. Now we are going to do page number 31. Now we will use the alphabets to solve this page. What comes after, before, between, as we do in our maths, like this. The first question is, what is the sixth letter in alphabets? It's the F. The next is, what comes before G? And the answer is F. The third question is, which letter comes after P? Its answer is Q. The question number 4 is, what comes after D? And its answer is E. The question number 5 is, what comes between S and U? And its answer is T. The next question, fill in the missing letters. You have the first A, B, C, D, and what comes next? E and F. The next is K, L, M, N, and the next words are O and P. The third line is T, U, V, W, and the next letters are X and Y. Very good. The next word is, place the letters below in alphabetical order. We have jumble letters and we have to arrange them according to the alphabets. The first line is N, M, L, O, P, K, and you have to arrange them properly. The first letter will be K, L, M, N, O, and P. The next line is I, J, L, K, H, G, and you have to arrange them properly. The first letter will be G, H, I, J, K, and L. The third line is T, S, P, Q, R, O, and its arrangement is O, P, Q, R, S, and T. The next page is page number 32. Again we will use alphabets. The question is, write these nouns in alphabetical order. We have some words and we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. The first line is deer, ox, fox, cat. We have jumbled words and we have to arrange them properly. The first word will be cat. The second word will be deer. The third, fox. And fourth will be ox. The second line we have jumbled words like giraffe, horse, donkey and monkey. And we will arrange them donkey, giraffe, horse and monkey. The third line is room, pencil, table, chair. And we will arrange them like this: chair, pencil, room and table. Fourth line is Sana, Arib, Faiza and Zainab, and we will arrange them Arib, Faiza, Sana and Zainab. The next question is, write these alphabetical order according to second letter. We will arrange them with the second letter. First letter को हम as it is ही रहने देंगे, हम focus करेंगे second letter के ऊपर, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं we have same alphabet in first letter. So first of all, the first solution is AD add, AG, AJ add, AN, AS as, AZ as. The second line is CA, CH, CI, CL and CR. The third solution is SC, SI, SK, SL and ST. The fourth line solution is KD, KQ, KF, KV and KZ. The fifth line is VA, VE, VK, VR and VY. Science. Now we are going to do the science unit number 1, the human body. Now we are going to learn about the parts of body. First we have to match hair. The next we have to match nose with the part of the body, nose. The third with ear. The fourth eye. The next neck. And the next word is chest. The other word is wrist, hand, knee, and the last word is feet. And the right side we will match with head. The next is eyebrow. The other word is mouth, chin, shoulder, elbow, arm, belly, leg, and the last word is ankle. You know parts of the body very well. Match these words with the picture. Page number 2, the first question is complete the following information about body parts. How many body parts we have? हमें ये देखना है हमारे पास हमारे जिस्म में ये कितने बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं, इनकी तादाद कितनी होती है, हाउ मैनी डू यू हैव, और फिर हमने उनके फंक्शंस बताने हैं. व्हाट कैन आई डू विद इट. The first is hand. How many hands we have? Two hands. And we do clap and write a poem with them. The next is nose. How many nose we have? We have one nose. And we do breathe, smell the flowers and sneeze. The third option is eye. How many eyes we have? Two eyes. And we watch cartoons and blink. The fourth is ear. We have two ears and we hear azan with them. Page number 3. Circle the body parts used in picture given below. We have a picture and we have two options. We have to solve this according to the picture. I tie my shoelaces with dash. हम अपने shoelaces किससे tie करते हैं? With hands. We will circle it. The next is I watch television with. We watch television with our eyes. The third is I run with dash. Legs obviously. The fourth is I smell the flowers with nose. I can paint with hands. I hear telephone with dash. We hear telephone with our ear now. Very good. The next question is look at the jalsa. What the boy is doing and what body part is doing the work. Write the name of the body part according to their position. Here the boy bent its knee and here the neck is straight. The third foot straight. Page number 4. Living or non-living things. Circle the right option. Here we have a train and we have to give some information about that. Does it grow? No. Does it move? Yes, it moves from one place to another place. Does it breathe? No. Does it need food? Yes, of course, it needs the fuel. Yes, it needs the fuel. So that's why it can move from one place to another place. The next question is train a living thing or a non-living thing? It's non-living thing. Next, complete the sentences below using words given below. Parrot dash around its cage, so it is alive. And the answer is move. Number 2, it eats dash when he is hungry. Its answer is eats. And the third is it has 2 holes at the top of its beak, so it can dash. And the answer is breathe. Number 4, it dash bigger from a baby parrot to an adult parrot. And its answer is grow. Page number 5, draw lines to match the relevant object. हम लोगों ने इसको मैच करना है कि बिगनिंग में ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैसे होते हैं और जब ये ग्रो कर जाते हैं तो कैसे होते हैं. लाइक in the beginning it is seed and when it gets grow it become a plant. In beginning it's puppy and when it grows it becomes a dog. In beginning we are baby and when we get adult we become the boy or girl, a human being. The next, in beginning it's chick and when it grows it becomes a hen. In beginning it is tadpole and when it grows it becomes a frog. In its childhood it becomes a calf and when it grows it becomes a cow. Next, draw any two non-living things. We can draw a pencil, a glass, any eraser, what you want. Page number 6, choose the correct answer. Which part of the body do you use to hold a pencil? And we have 3 options, toes, fingers, nails. And the correct option is fingers. Number 2, what does a kitten grow into? And the options are boy, dog, cat. And the right option is cat. Number 3, how many thumbs do humans have? The options are 1, 2, 3. And the right option is 2. Number 4, which of these is a living thing? Bicycle, hat, crow. And you know crow. Which of the following is not part of the human body? Tail, head, neck. You know we have no any tail. It's the right option. Number 2, mark these statements with tick or cross. Number 1, all human beings begin life as babies. It's true. Number 2, we will tick it. Number 2, all living things need air. We will tick here. Number 3, human beings, plants and animals grow. Tick. Number 4, all children look the same. No, it's wrong. We all look different. It's cross. Number 5, plants do not need food to grow. It's wrong, cross. Page number 7, color the food which comes from plants. And its options are apple, chicken, corn and egg. And the right option is apple and corn. The next question is name any 2 food items that you eat in your breakfast, lunch and dinner. What you like to do, what you like to take in your breakfast, egg and milk. In lunch, rice, vegetable and roti. In dinner, fish and meat. The third question is, what do animals eat? The answer is, some animals eat plants and some animals eat other animals. Number 4, why do living things need food? And the answer is to stay alive and grow. Page number 10, solve the word search puzzle to find the body parts for York and human body. We have so many words here. like fur, head, hands, feet, shoulders, tail, knee, wrist, mouth, horn, ear, chest, back, arms, heel, eye and palm. Next, name the body parts which are presented in yolk but not in human being. And the words are fur, F-U-R, fur, tail, T-A-I-L, tail, horn, H-O-R-N, horn. Social studies. Our first lesson is me and my family. The first question, page number 2, we have to solve the family tree according to your family. Your grandfather name, your grandmother name, your grandfather in your maternal side and grandmother name, your father, your mother, your brother, your name and your sister name according to your family. Page number 3, fill in the blanks. The sister of your father is your aunt. The brother of your father is your uncle. The father of your father is your grandfather. The mother of your mother is your grandmother. Page number 4. Match the words with the right option. Help my grandfather in walking. Help my father with the fourth option in washing his car or bike. Help my mother with the first option in kitchen. The last, help my sister with the second option in her homework. Math. Now we are going to solve the page number 1 of Math Countdown. Question is, count the objects in each group and write the number in the box. Now we will count the object. How many chilies we have in A? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write 4. The next is B. How many boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will write 9. In number C, we have 4 books. We will write 4. How many ice creams we have in D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5. In E, how many caps we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5. How many buckets we have? In F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will write 9. And we have to color these objects according to the statement. We will use blue color for the 9 number. We will use yellow color for the 5 number, and we will use red color for the number 4. In page number 2, again we will count the objects in each group and write the numbers. Number 1, we will count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write 6. How many turnips we have? We have 10 turnips. How many fish we have? We have 4 fish. How many insects we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 insects. How many doggies we have? 13 doggies. And how many cats we have? Count the cats. These are 20. Page number 3, fill in the blanks. The sister of your father is your aunt. The brother of your father is your uncle. The father of your father is your grandfather. The mother of your mother is your grandmother. Page number 4. Tick the shapes in each row that are same. Then color these shapes. In A option, we have two shapes. These are same. In circle shape, ball and a fruit. In B, we have two same shapes in box and dot box. C, we have two shapes. These are similar in rectangle, books and a gift. In D, we have two similar shapes. These are box and glass. Not box, these are tin pack and glass. In E, we have two similar shapes. These are corn shapes, a carrot and a hat. Page number 5, count and add. We will count the objects and we will add them with them. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 2 plus 8 will be 10. We have 4 guitars and 5. 4 plus 5 will be 9. 3 plus 7 will be 10. The next is use the number line to help you add. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Page number 6. Add the following. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. The next question is use the number line to help you add. 3 plus 2. How will we? We will use the number bar. We will use the number bar and we will add them. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. इस्लामियात सफ़ा नंबर 2 मुख्तसर सवालात के जवाबात दें। ये ज़मीन जिस पर हम चलते हैं किसने बनाई है? और इसका जवाब क्या है? अल्लाह ताला ने। नंबर 2 हवा किसकी मर्जी से चलती है? आप सबको पता है ना, अल्लाह ताला की मर्जी से। नंबर 3 आसमान को किसने बनाया है? अल्लाह ताला ने। नंबर 2 दिए गए अल्फाज की मदद से खाली जगह को पुर करें। हमारे माँ बाप को डैश अल्लाह ताला ने दी है। इसकी ऑप्शंस आपके पास मौजूद हैं, आपने इसमें से ही लिखना है। हमारे माँ बाप को जिंदगी अल्लाह ताला ने दी है। सिर्फ अल्लाह ताला ही डैश के लायक है, इबादत के। सब इंसानों को डैश ने पैदा किया है। किसने पैदा किया है? अल्लाह ताला ने। द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज गलत और दुरुस्त सवालात के जवाब। अल्लाह ताला अपनी ज़ात और खूबियों में अकेला है। क्या ये दुरुस्त है कि गलत? ये बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है, तो आप इसके आगे टिक का निशान लगाएंगे। नंबर 2 बारिश फरिश्तों के हुक्म से होती है। बिल्कुल गलत है, ये तो अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म से होती है ना, तो इसलिए हम इसके आगे क्रॉस लगाएंगे। नंबर 3 अल्लाह ताला हम सब से बहुत मोहब्बत करता है। बिल्कुल, और इसके आगे हम टिक लगाएंगे। सफ़ा नंबर 2 में जो मुख्तसर सवालात के जवाबात आपने लिखने थे वो आपने अपनी नोटबुक के ऊपर इस तरह से राइट करने हैं। उर्दू। ये रीडिंग बुक की हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, सफ़ा नंबर 3, मुदर्रज झैल सवालात के जवाबात। ये हम लोग वर्क बुक पे करेंगे। सवाल नंबर 2, हम के मुताबिक दुरुस्त जवाब पर टिक का निशान लगाएं। आपके पास ऑप्शन भी मौजूद होंगी, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने करना है। सबसे बड़ा कौन है? बाप, उस्ताद, अल्लाह ताला, बादशाह। तो राइट ऑप्शन इज अल्लाह ताला। नंबर 2, कौन सा रास्ता बेहतर है? नेकी का, दुश्मनी का, बुराई का कि लड़ाई का? नेकी का। नंबर 3, अल्लाह ताला हमें तौफीक दे सबका भला करने की, दूसरों को तंग करने की, झूठ बोलने की कि बुरे काम करने की? एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज अलिफ, सबका भला करने की। सवाल नंबर 3, दुरुस्त जवाब पर टिक का और गलत जवाब पर क्रॉस का निशान लगाएं। अल्लाह ताला हम सबकी दुआ सुनता है, बेशक, टिक का निशान लगाएं। नंबर 2, अल्लाह ताला ही नेकी की हदायत देता है, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, टिक का निशान लगाएं। नंबर 3, हमें सबके काम नहीं आना चाहिए, ये गलत बात है, इसलिए इसको क्रॉस कर दें। सफ़ा नंबर 4, मुनासिब लफ्ज लगाकर खाली जगह को पुर करें। अल्फाज भी आपके पास मौजूद हैं, आपने इन्हीं में से लगाने हैं। हर एक की डैश करूं, खिदमत करूं, सुन ले दुआ, सुन ले दुआ, हर एक के डैश आऊं, सदा काम आऊं। मुदर्रज झैल अल्फाज के जुमले बनाएं, ये हम वर्क बुक पे बनाएंगे। सफ़ा नंबर 5, हरूफ को अलग अलग करके लिखें, यानी कि आपके पास जोड़ मौजूद हैं, आपने उनके तोड़ करने हैं। एक आपके पास दिया हुआ है, इसको सॉल्व किया हुआ है, मुझे, मीम जे बड़िए, मुझे। दूसरा लफ्ज है छोटा, छे वाओ छो, हम इसको चे की 2 आंखें बनाते हैं ना, छे वाओ छोटे, अलिफ ता, छोटा। थर्ड वर्ड इज खुदा, खे दाल अलिफ, खुदा। अब हम वर्क बुक को सॉल्व करेंगे। हम सबक नंबर 1, पहले इमला के अल्फाज हैं, ऊपर दिए हुए हैं, आपने उसी पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग सेम टू सेम वैसे राइट करने हैं। आपने चिप और कर्व को देख के लिखना है। नंबर 2, मुदर्रज झैल अल्फाज के दुरुस्त मायने पर दायरा लगाएं। तौफीक का मतलब क्या है? हिम्मत और ताकत, इस पे आपने दायरा लगा देना है। नंबर 2, सदा के मायने क्या हैं? हमेशा, इस पे आपने दायरा लगा देना है। नंबर 3, भला का मतलब क्या है? अच्छा, इसको आपने सर्कल कर देना है। नंबर 2, जुमले बनाएं। अब अल्फाज के हम जुमले बनाएंगे। पहला लफ्ज है शुक्र, हर हाल में अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए। नंबर 2, नेकी, हर अच्छा काम नेकी है। नंबर 3, दुआ, बच्चों ने मिलकर दुआ की। नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ जाएं, पेज नंबर 2, मुदर्रज झैल सवालों के जवाबात लिखें। किसका शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए? अल्लाह ताला का। अल्लाह ताला हमें कौन सा रास्ता दिखाता है? नेकी का। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, शायर हम में अल्लाह ताला से क्या दुआ मांग रहा है? आसान अल्फाज में लिखिए। और उसका जवाब है, सबका भला करने की हिम्मत दे, हर एक के काम आऊं, हर एक की मदद करूं, दूसरों की खिदमत करूं। पोर्शन बी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, पेज नंबर 27। चीजों को गिनकर लफ्जी गिनती से खाली जगह पूर करें। हाथ की डैश उंगलियां हैं, 5, ये डैश आंखें हैं, 2, गुलदान में डैश फूल हैं, 6, ये डैश परिंदे हैं, 3, डैश चूजे दौड़ रहे हैं, 4, ये डैश मछलियां हैं, 9, ये डैश आम हैं, 8, ये डैश तितलियां हैं, 10, ये डैश झंडियां हैं, 7, ये डैश गुड़िया है, 1।